Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, we're going to set up our website. So now that we've installed WordPress, let's get our website all dressed up and looking sexy. So if you go over to your website right now, you can check it out. I just typed in stonebridgemarketinggroup.com, and as you can see, this website is hideous. It's ugly. I'm not feeling it at all. So what we want to do now is go log into WordPress and pimp it out, make it look snazzy. So you can do that by logging into your WordPress admin area. So what I want you to do is go to your website.com/WP-admin. So your website.com/WP-admin. And now it's asking us for our username and password. So now let's log in with our username and password that we created earlier. So my username that I put down was JohnDoe1, and then I created a ridiculously long password. Thank God for copy and paste. So once you put that information in, then just click on login. So this is your WordPress dashboard. What I want you to do is make a few small tweaks and get rid of some junk that you don't need. So first things first, let's go down to where it says post. Click on post. And you'll see a default post that they have here, hello world. Move your mouse over it and then go down to where it says trash. Let's just get rid of this, you don't need it. And go down to categories. Let's create some categories. These are categories for all the different posts or pages that we'll make on our blog. So I can create a category right now for tips and slug. This is asking us what do you want the web address to be for that category. You just want to keep it short and friendly. So since I'm using a short friendly word, tips works fine. Then let's go down to add new category. And let's create another category for services. So let's go up to name and I'm just going to type in services. The slug will be the same thing, services. Then let's go down to add new category. Next, what I want you to do is go over to pages. So let's click on the pages button. And they've also got a sample page in here that is completely useless. So move your mouse over sample page and then go down to where it says trash and click on that. Next, let's go down to settings. So go all the way down to settings and let's click on general. This will let you change your site name, your tagline, email address, and all that other stuff. Everything checks out and looks good to me, so let's move down to where it says permalinks and let's click on that link. And let's not use the default setting. These links are pretty ugly, how it's got the question mark page and then it gives you the random numbers for the page. And let's actually change this to post name. So check post name and then go to save changes. So now we're styling. We just did some cleanup around our blog. But if you go back to your main blog page, you'll notice that it's still ugly. So let's dress it up and make it look nice. Now we can dress our site up by using what's called themes. And if you want to get super professional themes, then check out this website. It's called themeforest.net. Go to themeforest.net. Then you can go to WordPress and check out any of these categories. Let's click on blog and magazine. So by default, it's showing us all their newest WordPress themes. But let's rearrange this to see which ones are the best. Let's sort this by rating. I typically look at what has the highest rating or the highest sales because that tells me which ones are probably the best. So let's check out the rating. And you could just go down the list and look at these different WordPress themes. Now, ThemeForest is one of my favorite websites on the net. They've got so many great designs. I go here for everything. But the one downside about ThemeForest is that these themes do cost money. As you can see, these themes are going for about $40. So honestly, these themes are completely worth it because it's going to make your site look like $1 million. And once you buy the theme, you could use it on all your different sites. So yeah, I buy themes from ThemeForest all the time. But if things are tight for you right now, don't even worry about it because I'm going to hook you up. There's actually a website you can go to get amazing, high-quality free themes. If you go to s5themes.com, so that's s5themes.com. At this website, you'll be able to download lots of high-quality themes for free. So let's go check it out. This website, s5themes.com, is a gold mine. Most free WordPress themes out there are absolutely hideous. They look like they're made in the 1980s. So I don't really recommend most free themes. So I mean, you could even go to Google and search around and you're going to find a lot of terrible ones. But this website is awesome. They've got a lot of really nice ones. So what you could do is just go down this list and find a WordPress theme that you like. Look at this one, Simple Corp, on the right. I like this one. It looks very clean. And both of these look really nice. You've got the web folio on the right, and then we've got this one called Boldly on the left. All of these look really hot. I'm a big fan of a lot of their themes. Do you see this one right here? It's called Fizz. Well, I'm digging it. Let's download it. So all you have to do is click on it. Then let's click on the download button. So next what you need to do is just sign up for a free account. Only takes 2 seconds. You just need to come up with a username and add your email address, and you'll be ready to go. Okay, so I just created an account. It only took me 2 seconds, and I'm back here. So now let's click on download again. And there you go, now it's downloading. Real simple. So now that we've downloaded this WordPress theme, let's install it. So here's how you install your new WordPress theme. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, then go down to where it says Appearance. Move your mouse over that, and then we're going to click on Themes. And once you're here at Themes, you'll notice in the top right-hand corner it says Install Themes. Let's click on that button. Next, go down to where it says Upload. Let's click on Upload. Then go down to Choose File. And what you want to do is locate and upload that new theme that you just downloaded. And there it is. It's right on my desktop. So I'm just going to double click on that. And it puts it right down here. So now you want to click on Install Now. And it's installing the theme. And that's it. So now what you want to do is click the Activate button. And as you can see, we're now using the theme. It's showing it right here. All right, now if you want to customize some of your theme options, let's go down here on the left-hand side and go to where it says Theme Options. So this gives you tons of options. You could add your own logo in up here. You can put some text instead of a logo. And if you go to Slider, you can add some pictures in here that slides on the front page. And you've got all these settings that you can tinker around with. So that's how you access that. Now what I'd recommend doing is start adding some pages and post. So that way your blog is not just empty. So I would create a page for About Us. I would create another page talking about your services. Create another page for Contact Us. You can do all that by going to Pages. Then underneath you'll see Add New. So click Add New. And it's real easy. Just create a title for it. I would just say About Us. And then I would write some cool stuff about my company. And as soon as you write what you want to say on your About Us page, go over to where it says Publish. And this will add that page. And if you want to add pictures to the page, it's real easy. You can go to where it says Add Media. Also, on the right-hand corner, you'll see Featured Image. Now, this is what you use for your slider gallery on the front page. A lot of themes will have a big picture next to each blog post, and that's where you add it. So you just click on Set Featured Image, and you add it right here. So what I would recommend doing is create those pages. Now you guys know how to operate WordPress. If you're running out of ideas on what pages you should have and what you should write for it, go to Google and just do some searches around for other marketing companies or other internet marketing gurus' sites. And feel free to get ideas from them, rewrite some of this stuff, and just upload it. So feast your eyes on this, you guys. I just used one of the Site 5 themes. I added some of my own content, and now it looks like this. So do you see how professional this looks? So now if I show this page to a CPA network, they're going to take me a lot more seriously. There you have it. That's how you set up a WordPress site. Every WordPress theme is going to operate a little bit different, so I recommend just going through any documentation that comes with it. And then you'll know how to add the cool pictures and customize things. So go set up your own website, and then let's move on to the next video.